there, Sue here from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth kitchen. In this video I'm showing you how to actually make the burgers themselves, okay? In my previous video, joined to this one, is me making soda bread rolls, okay, to go with the burgers. But in this video I'm making the burgers, so you might not want to watch all these videos. You might just want the burger bit, so that's why I'm doing them in 3 bits, okay? So in this packet I have prime Welsh beef. I have a kilo of prime Welsh beef. I'm just going to cut up 3 shallots. Well, I'm not going to cut them up even, I'm just going to top and tail them, take off the skin, and I'm putting them in this blitzer for quickness today, to mince it, to mince the shallots. Because one thing I can't stand when I have a beef burger is raw onion in it. So normally I'll either cut them up and then pre-cook them, then add them to the mince, so they're always cooked, or if you mince the onion, it will cook really quick, alright? And you won't get great big lumps of raw onion in your burgers. So this is the reason why I'm doing it like that. So these are shallots together, okay? So here's our mince, a bit of salt. So in here today I have Himalayan salt and sea salt crystals. So I've got Himalayan and sea salt crystals. And then some black pepper, however much you want really. That's probably be enough. And then 2 eggs to bind it together. Okay, I'm just putting it all together and then I'm going to use my hands. Okay, and once I've done this bit, you could use a spoon, but I don't care about getting egg and mince on my hands. These and a small one. So today we're going to use the big one. Oh, I've got the wrong thing on. My brain's not working. It's because I'm rushing. Right. That's it. How long did that take? All of 30 seconds. So I'm just going to scoop out the shallots. Whoa, this might hurt your eyes. So in with my hands. And then we're going to make them into beef burger shapes. So you saw that I just had mince, there was salt and pepper, and 2 eggs to bind it, and, oh, my eyes, because this is our dinner today and we haven't had dinner yet. Right, so that's the burger mixture made, so I'm just going to make a couple of them. So just put them in your hand, it's not complicated, and then just pat it down to the palm size, okay? You don't have to be too fussy about that thickness, you know, like that thickness, about 1/4 inch I suppose, and that's 1. So I'm only going to do 4. So just pat them in your hand. Right, and that's it. And they're like 1/4 pounders. 2, I'm just doing 4. So this is the 3rd one. And you can cook these to whatever, you know, like if you like them well done. We like ours quite, not too well done. I don't like them like black. 3. 1 more. So there they are. There's the 4 raw burgers, okay? You won't get to see them cook because we're doing them on the barbecue. So there they are. Wish you could come and visit, but sorry, sad. Can't have any visitors at the moment. It's a bit sad, isn't it? But still, never mind. Hopefully you can come soon. Come and visit us at the Dolbrodmaeth. What it is 1 kilo of minced beef. This is Welsh minced beef. This is Welsh black. And just some shallots that I mushed up in a little ooby-dooby. some salt and pepper and 2 eggs to bind it, and they're beef burgers, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Please subscribe to my channel, please leave a comment, and if there's anything you would like me to make in the future, then leave me a message below and I'll endeavour to make it. I'm up to make any kind of sort of things, as long as they're interesting, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.